I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a demon,
she lies on her back with her head in a crack where her life might have been. It's Halloween morning and terror's done spawning from murder within.
Alright, so welcome to Tiki Beach. This is where I've been staying the last few days. It's down in Bantai. It's not somewhere I've stayed on the island before. One of the busier places. And yeah, it's busy. There's quite a few people around. So yeah, I was just booked in for a week, but I think I'm going to stay for 2. My kite surfing school is just down there. But there's been no wind, so no opportunity to do that yet, which has been alright because I twisted my knee being old. So yeah, and then there's a Muay Thai gyms down there as well. So I think it's going to be a good base. It's quite central in the island, so you can sort of get anywhere. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's a nice morning view out to sea. That's Koh Phangan over there in the distance.
Your mind drift away, let fantasy play. I'll be back for you soon. Please don't open.
I said I wandered down the beach, just kicked the coral, cut my toe, well done. Yeah, I found this nice resort. It's where the river feeds the sea. The water's freezing here, but looks like there's a storm coming. So we're gonna head back way through
in the morgue as her new life begins. They powder her nose, brush some cheeks with a rose, let the next kill in.
Right. So come up to a place called Haad today, up in the north. Going to do some snorkeling. So yeah, I've never been up here before. This is a few of the guys from the place where I'm staying. So it's supposed to be pretty decent.
Right, so as you can see here, I've put the waterproof casing around the GoPro so you can't hear what I'm saying at all. So basically, just of it, there are black tip reef sharks swimming out here. There's quite a few people I know have been up there to go and see them. So yeah, that's why we come up here to check it out. And unfortunately, I couldn't find anything. That mask and snorkel I borrowed off one of my pals who'd just been in there, and he'd seen about 7 or 8. So I had to look around for about half an hour, but nothing. So I was pretty gutted, really. I think it might be to do with my colour blindness and my short-sightedness, but they could have been all around me, to be honest with you. The visibility was pretty clear, pretty bad.
Well, so, pretty disappointing.
Yeah.
Really, I was all excited. But we'll come back another day. Hopefully the visibility will be a bit better as well. But yeah, no shark action. Gutted. Beach vibes today at Tiki. We'll do a quick little video. My kind of style. like we always do about this time. Yeah. Tuesday afternoons in Tiki. We're going to fill up, have a little bit. Boys? Alright! Yeah, so
You'll never watch that back
it's Boo's
again.
birthday tonight, so we've come out, little party. We've got a bit of a Batman theme coming on. So yeah, heading to a drum and bass bar now. We're gonna rock it out like Gotham City, let's do it.
Some people call you, but I don't wanna hear.
What's up, brother? 100 bars. He's Batman, I've been looking for him. Yeah.
For the light of the dead will be.
Right, welcome to another rainy day in Tiki. The weather's been like this for about 4 or 5 days now. Literally just downpouring all day long. And he's breaking the rain, you've got to shoot out quickly to get food, cigarette drinks. So yeah, it's been a bit of a quiet week. It's supposed to be party day today down here, Tiki Tuesdays. It doesn't look like that's going to happen. I'm due to move on to another place tomorrow, so I'm hoping the weather's going to be alright. I've got to load the bike up and get to the other side of the island, so see what happens. But hopefully the rain's going to stop today because I'm ready for a party. Morning. Right, welcome to a Lucky Resort up in Haad, which is up on the north west side of the island. So I was in Tiki Beach for about 2 weeks. Nice, busy, lots of partying, bad weather, so we didn't do much. But yeah, decided to move on. So I've come somewhere a bit quieter. So yeah, this is where we are. This is my bungalow here. It's about £7.50 a night, so nice and cheap. Just a basic bamboo bungalow. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, I fancied a bit of peace and quiet again, so it's pretty nice up here. It's pretty quiet. I think there's 1 or 2 other people staying here, but I haven't seen anyone yet. So we'll find out anyways. But, so down there is the sea, and that is where the sharks are. So I'm going to go and have another look today to see if I can find some sharks, and hopefully yeah, should be all right. Okay, all right, see ya. Right, back to the beach. Let's see what we can find this time. There are no sharks. Where are they?
Vicino pesce. Bello lì. Ormai
Just found this cool little restaurant for a spot of lunch. Very nice. Good morning. So welcome to my little hut at the Lucky Resort. It's nice and basic, but I like it. A nice view out to the pool. So yeah, it's all good. So I thought today I'll do a little daily routine just to show you what I get up to. So on a typical day. Might be a bit more busier than usual. I haven't done anything in the last 2 days, so I thought I'd get off my butt and do something. So yeah, a little insight to what goes on every day. Yeah, so a couple of hours on the balcony, a couple of cups of coffee, catch up what's going on in the world, have some cereal, all the exciting stuff, and then think about doing something. Alright, time to get some food, so I'm just going to head to the restaurant around the corner and take the scenic route. Alright, I was going to get in the water there. There's about 10 gigantic crabs. Not going in there.
They try to bring us down. Storm the Capitol building, not so pretty. For a hollow drumbeat clown. Misinformation, it's a pity. Enough to make you drown.
Favourite place for breakfast on the beach here. Cheeky little spicy omelette, rice, and then yeah, make your way back home. Got to take the route over the rocks back.
It's one love.
Still a treat.
And I hope I'm not sounding kinda crazy, because it's love I found. Conspiracy has got us kinda hazy. It's time you get unwound. L-O-V-E spells love. L-O-V-E spells love. It's one love, love, love. Love, love, love. It's one
Oh, that's a big one. Oh no. There was something.
It's one love, love, love. 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 L-O-V-E
Just a couple of scratches. That's what you get for being a child. Alright, I think that's me for the day now. See you later.